In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the In Good Taste suite and the Tasteful Touches bundle. Here's the card. I'm going to show you how I created this three-tone flower. I saw this card created by one of the artisan designers for Stampin' Up, and I thought it was beautiful. So I'm going to show you how she created it. So she used petal pink, rococo rose, and gray granite. I love this color combination. I would have never have thought to use it myself. Let's see, I hope I'm getting the right, there we go. So I'm going to start with petal pink. Oh dear, I'm going to have to cover that up somehow. And I'm going to add petal pink to the flower, just one area of the flower, and then some rococo rose, and then some gray granite here. And I'm just going to try to blend those in so there's no harsh lines. Stamp that. And then I'll do it again. Some petal pink, rococo rose, gray granite. And one more time. Petal pink, rococo rose, blend that in, and gray granite. Let's see if I can just kind of stamp over that boo-boo. Yeah. All right, remove the sponge daubers. I'm gonna close these up so I don't get more fingers in them. What finger got in the pink? Probably my thumb. And then I have used the Tasteful Textile embossing folder on this piece of petal pink cardstock. It's part of the In Good Taste suite. I love it. It's my favorite embossing folder right now. Looks like I got ink on this card base somehow too. So I'm going to cue up this adhesive. And just lay this down. And then I'm going to add some dimensionals to this piece right here. And we'll slant this slightly. And then this is the In Good Taste Designer Series paper. This is a little bit different from our Designer Series paper in that it has 12 designs instead of 6 and 24 sheets instead of 12. And you have different designs of slate, tile, wood, textiles, stucco. Just really, really pretty and useful paper. Here's the bundle, Tasteful Touches. Here's the flower that I used. This technique of using the different colors on a stamp would also look nice on this feather and this design, even on this branch. And these Tasteful Labels are my new favorite dies. I love labels and I love the embossing and the stitched edges. So I'm going to stamp just saying hello. In early espresso on this piece of wood right here. got it crooked, but that's okay. We'll make it straight. Dimensionals on this. And then I'll just make it crooked on here so I can make it straight. There's always some trick you can do to fix little boo-boos. So now I'm going to find my glue dots that I know are right in front of me somewhere. Aha! And I'm gonna add one of these wood leaves. These are the In Good Taste elements, and they have these long leaves and short leaves and these branches as well. This is also part of the suite. Really pretty and really fun to use as elements on your card. So I'm just going to place this over here on the side, and then I'm going to use some twine. I'm just going to tie a little bow. And just trim this off. And we'll add a little glue dot. And we'll just add this to the wood branch here. And there's our card. Thank you guys so much for joining me and watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my website, elainescreations.net. Thanks, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.